Hello, my name is Brad. I retired down to the Florida area 3 years ago. I had a golf ball injury, a sporting injury, that left my teeth in pretty poor condition. And so I went to a dentist here in the Bradenton area, and they said, well, you need a periodontist. And the name that kept coming back to me was Dr. Eastman. And I'm so glad that I contacted him and his staff here. It was the best decision I've ever made. There was a lot of damage done to the root system, and he put together, and well, we put together a plan of a course of treatment, surgeries, the expectations, what to look for, and he and his staff answered all of my questions. It made it a pleasant experience, because normally everybody's a little afraid to go to the dentist or have any surgery. However, I knew that the end result was going to be exactly what I was looking for. So the surgeries took place, and I'm happy with the results. But not only that, when you walk in the door here at Dr. Eastman's with his staff, you're greeted so welcoming. You feel like family. And that's the ease of mind or peace of mind everybody needs to have when you're getting surgery done. And so I had the surgeries done. They're all finished now. And I'm happy to say the aesthetics are pretty good. My health is great. And I just wanted to come in and let you all know that if you're experiencing any problems at all, please call Dr. Eastman's office. You'll be so glad you did.